What's up, guys? I think I'll do a little bus update video today. Alright, we went home for Christmas and New Year's and come home, and my gosh, what was everybody doing on the interstate? That's a wonder Florida didn't sink. That's where millions of cars in and out of Florida. Anyway, we got ready to come home. Perfect trip down there other than the traffic. It was bumper to bumper halfway. Usually it takes me 6 hours to get halfway. It took me 10. Anyway, we got down there, had a great time for Christmas with the family. Get ready to leave. It's cold. It's getting chilly down there. It's like 45 when we left. And I knew it was going to get colder coming home. So I did what most people would do and turn their heater on. So, if y'all have this issue, come in here, right here, turn this on. You can hear this working now. It didn't work. I didn't have no blower on my heaters. That or the rear didn't work. I said, well, daggone it. So I didn't even mess with that. I said, we're just going to deal with it till we get home. But anyway, something else that happened on the way down there. I didn't get an hour from home, and a darn truck, the big 18-wheeler, come across in front of me and flung a rock and broke my windshield. Great. It's great. So I stopped at the auto parts store and found some stuff you can buy for your windshield, and it fixed it pretty well. I don't know if you can see it. I still have to cut the excess glue off, but if you can see it right there on the window. Just got a little bitty dot there now, but it was about the size of a quarter. You can see it splitting, so cracking, so that worked out pretty good. Anyway, we get on down there. Like I say, the heater didn't work coming home, or the blower. I get 2 hours from the house, right? And one thing that made matters worse, I stopped at Buc-ees to get a Diet Pepsi, right? They don't sell Pepsi products. I don't like Buc-ees now. I liked Buc-ees before. I don't like Buc-ees now. Anyway, so I got ready to leave, and I seen that my muffler was hanging low. I said, what is going on with that now? So come here, I'll show you. Oh, I was going to tell you on that blower. You guys coming around and do a little test right here. See this right here? This is the blower for the heater and air. Tap on that. Bam. And if it starts working, then more than likely your fan's just getting old. It probably won't last too much longer. Anyways, I'm mad at Buc-ee right now. But anyway, somehow, some way, hang on, come on down here with me. I'll show you. Oh. Well, it fell off now, but see, I got some straps to go around my muffler pipe. Cause it's cracked all the way around right there for some reason. Tell me why. It's broke. So it's just dangling. So I gotta get that fixed. Anyways, other than that, you know, the old girl runs good. Got I think we got 160,000 on her now, but she's running good. I can't complain. It's been a good trip. Alright, anyway, I thought I'd give you a little update. Bus ran great other than those 3 little problems. We made it home. That's what counts, right? The motor, trans, everything works good except those little things. So we're good. So y'all have a good day until the next video. Later, guys.